Hi guys, what's up? This is me, Anushka. Hi, Mayank, what's up? I'm gonna take the names quickly. Anushka Aspire, Lokesh. Hi, what's up? Smile and shine, Anushka. I really like your username though. You know, it's like whenever I read, I start smiling. I'm like, smile and shine, Anushka. Hi, Purvi, what's up? What's up? How are you? Hi. Hey. Hey, Kushi, how are you? What's up? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are good. Hi, Sakina. Hi, Sharanya. Hi. What's up, guys? Hey, Queen. Thank you. Anushka saying my babe. You look cute. Thank you, Sakina. Hey, Kushi. Hi. Quarantine sucks. I want to say that, whoa, we started with 11,000 people. That's quite unusual, but it's amazing, incredible. Hi, Devi, what's up? I'm gonna take some new names. Ilmas, how are you today? I'm great. By the way, quarantine is taking me whole. Are you in two ponytails? No, I'm not. It's just, my hair is open. It's just I'm wearing my cap like that. It just looks like two ponytails, right? Oh God. This time slain with pink. Thank you. Hi, Kushi.Savalia. I like your hair. Thank you. Hi, Molly. Oh, thank you, Sakina. Thank you. 12? Whoa. We have reached 13.6k. That's quite amazing, isn't it? Let me take a screenshot. That's nice. Okay. Your each outfit is bae. Thank you. Show your nails. It's just, okay, there's no paint on them since 2 months. For some reason, every day, like, har din, I'm like, okay, मैं आज करूँगी, आज I'll put some nail polish, and it just does not happen only. But I'm really happy with my natural nails, so I'm taking a break from painting them. Whoa, 14.3 buddies. So, firstly, I want to wish everyone Ramadan Mubarak, everyone who is, who's celebrating Ramadan, you and your family members, everyone, I wish a lot of happiness and just stay blessed. Your nails are love. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have reached 14.2k viewers. I'm just so happy. Anushka, yes. Kushi, yes. Hi Jasleen, what's up, Jas? Today is my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Sharanya's dad. May you be happy and just stay happy. Could you say these names? Okay, I'm gonna take some names quite quickly. Hi Afika, hi Rishita, Fatima, Nikita, Almira, Vedahi, Neel, Prerna, Avneet, Himanshu, Khushi, Sidra, Rohit, Anshika, Poojan, Lakshana, Akshita, Ananya. I'm sorry, Ananya. Damn. Oh God. Anushka, what a coincidence. You came live on my birthday and on my dad's birthday too. That's so crazy. Are you ready for some riddles? Yes! Bring it on. You look so pretty in pink. Thank you so much. Do you want to see the full outfit? Because why not? Yes! I don't know why I just started dancing, but that's a vibe every time. So, new Anushkins. Wow, those were some new Anushkins. I just messed up my lipstick one second. New Anushkins, man. Thank you. Lots of love to all my Anushkins. I've been seeing some really crazy edits. I love them. Anushka, what shines the brightest? The star? Maybe? I don't know. Loose, comfy sweatshirts are bae. It's just a vibe that I'm never gonna let go. What shines the brightest? Kohinoor? No, it doesn't shine, does it? I don't know. Shit. The star or maybe something like that. There's so many new Anushkins. And the worst part is I can't see some of my new Anushkin's comments for some reason. I don't know. The answer is Anushka saying, "Oh, Khushi, I'm touched by your riddle. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take this name. Hinda, but I have no idea what's it. I'm so sorry. So something just happened, you know, my Wi-Fi switched to 4G and then it switched to Wi-Fi again. Like Wi-Fi is playing with me. You're not bored at home? No, I'm not bored. I've been doing a lot of stuff and I've been going live with some people, my account also, and then I've been binge watching movies and series so much, and then now I have to start studying also because I have my exams apparently in July. The last exam, not exams, I have one exam which was left in my 12th standard. So I have to start studying today. Oh, one sec, sorry. Something happened. Can you say happy birthday Nikita? She's shining sing. Happy birthday Nikita. Okay. All the best for exams. Thank you, Riyaz.idol. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? I have no idea. That makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. I mean, I didn't understand. Oh god. Anushka, can you say hello to me? Hi, Anushka Singh, not big fans. Your mood. Yeah, this should be the mood every day. So then only I'm like super happy and stuff, and everything works out for me. Answer is maps. Oh, that makes sense. That's super smart. What time do you get up during lockdown? I get up. See, I'm gonna answer frankly. So I sleep by 3 or 3:30 and I wake up by 2. That's my schedule every day. And actually I'm happy about it because it's just the same. It's just I'm having my meals with gaps and I'm sleeping also 11 hours. I'm doing all my work also. So everything's cool. So chill out. Can you see my comment? Yes, Anushka into admirer. I can see your comments. Dakshita. Okay, can I add you? I've add some. I can only see your tail, buddy. She just left, yeah. She ditched me and left. Not fair. Say hi, Gogo. Hi, Gogo. See, I'm trying to add, but it's not adding. Can somebody tell me why? I can't add. Oh God, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use the feature and probably go live. Let's see who to add. These boys. See, half people it's coming unable to join for some reason. I don't know why. Please, somebody help me out. Okay, I'm gonna add Ria. Yeah. Can you say hi, Juhi? Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Hi, Juhi. Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Say hi, Sophie. Hi. Hi. I'm God, I could add somebody. How are you? Fine. I'm good. What is your name? Ria. Ria. Where are you from, Ria? कहाँ से हो आप? Hi Ria, can you hear me? Yes. कहाँ से हो आप रिया? क्या मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया. कहाँ से हो आप रिया? There's something. रिया आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हो? Oh God, it was not working out. I couldn't hear her or she couldn't hear me for some reason. Oh God, okay, I'm just randomly adding somebody else. Okay. Hi, biggest fan. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh God, why is this not adding only anybody? Man, Instagram has to do some more stuff, man. They're not working nicely. Some features are not working, guys. Hi! Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Dang, I can't hear. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Live with you.
Oh, how sweet. Hi, namaste. Kaise aap?
I'm good. Could I please take a screenshot?
Why not? Yeah, why not?
Thank you. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Oh, how sweet. What is your name?
My name is Mantej.
Sorry, your voice is cracking.
Mantej, Mantej.
Mantej. And who is that little
Yeah.
cute girl beside you?
She's my sister, Rabnur. Hi.
Hi, how are you? You're so cute.
Hi.
You both have the same smiles. So cute.
We're just thinking that you take live. Then she said that no, she'll not take you live. But then
Aww. How sweet. There's sometimes I can't see some people's comments, and that's the reason I can't add. But I'm so glad I could add you.
oh, thank you.
Oh,
And
nice
how's it
talking to you girls. Oh,
How's the
it's cracking
quarantine?
for some reason. It's cracking for some reason. I can't see you clearly.
How's the quarantine going?
Quarantine's going good. There's a lot of stuff going on in quarantine, so yeah, it's going good.
Okay. So Anushka, I love your TikToks and how you dance. This is like really nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really glad. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and stay happy.
Yeah. Stay happy, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Aww. How cute, yeah. How cute everyone is. My God. They're so happy, their expression only. I see their expression and I'm like, Anushka's earrings have lock and key. Yeah, I most of the time I'm wearing this only. If you have noticed, I don't change because it's my favorite. I have so many earrings, but this is my favorite, so I can't help it. No, so oh God. Okay, yeah, Purvi, I'll try. Aesthetic Anushka, you want me to add? Okay, I can't see her comment. I don't know why, but I'll try. What comes twice a week, never in a month, and once a year? Weekend? No. Yeah, weekend is twice, but it comes in a month also, no? I don't know. What is it? Wait. Who did you tell me to add? Aesthetic Anushka. No, wait, I'll try. These ones. Bro, it's not coming. Aesthetic Anushka's name is not coming for some reason. Okay. Okay. Makwana Monil. Hi, Makwana Monil. What's up? Cheers. The letter E. Whoa. Man. I have checked some DMs last week. I might have missed some of them out. I'm sorry. I'll check again. Maybe there's so many. There's a lot of DMs I had to check, so that's why. And I'm mostly active on groups, so that's why. It's Starbucks sipper. I'm missing Starbucks, but I have to tell you guys, please don't order outside food. Still, even if it's just don't. I'm just saying don't eat outside food. That's all. One of my friends, she told me that her friend ordered outside food, so I'm saying not to do that. What's that one alphabet which have water in it? I don't know why it's not clicking only. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, this is Smita saying, I'm your big fan from Nepal. Can you add me or say my name once? Hi, Smita17. Smita underscore 17. I couldn't see a comment or else I would have added you. So if you guys comment, I can add you guys. You know, like, because the feature in which, you know, you can go inside and check names, it doesn't work out for me. So if you comment, then I can add you guys. So hi, Smita, anyways. Sea has water in it. Oh, that's incredible, yeah. That is so smart. Okay, I'm gonna see some more questions. Okay, I'm gonna check questions later. First, you guys, I'll tell you guys that if you wanna, like, if you want me to take your questions like personally, please, how do you say that? Check, write it in that box so I can click and I can answer. Okay, I'm gonna add some new people, guys. So some people I haven't added like ever. So I'm gonna add some of those. Okay, so Skit Ati W. I didn't understand. Okay, I take my question and add me, please. Add me, please. Hi Shreyas, what's up? And tie me and you can walk. Untie me and you will fall. Shoelace. I am right. You have to tell me I am right. Anushka, you have to type the username of the people you want to add. Unfortunately, Insta shows you comment of only people you follow. Yeah, but I was even if I type, no, if it does not come sometimes. See, I'll try to add somebody. These boys in shit. I haven't added. Wait. Okay, 1 second, guys. Give me a sec. I'm gonna try adding. But seriously, I'm telling you, even if I type, no, it's not coming. It's just coming. Just it goes blank. You know, like it comes blank. What happened, Devi? Why are you sad? Maybe you have to write the exact username. But I did that. I tried doing that, but it just does not come. Like, for example, I wrote aesthetic Anushka. I just can't. Can you see my comments, Anushka? Yes, Layer saying I can see your comments. Yes, Rishi, I'll add you in a bit. Okay, so if you guys have filled some questions, then I'll see. When will fan page reaction video come? Oh, I have put 2 videos, 2 parts of reacting to fan pages, and you guys can check my YouTube out and stay tuned to that. There's a lot of new stuff coming up. Okay, let's see what is the other question. Anushka, as you know, quarantine is going on, so how do you spend your time? I spend my time doing a lot of stuff. Like, I can suggest you guys some movies to watch. Like, for example, yesterday I watched The Truman Show. It's a very good movie you guys can watch. Of course, I would suggest watch Money Heist because it's incredible if you haven't watched it yet. What else? I'm also watching this Korean drama named The King, which is also incredible. Should watch. And currently, I'm watching Manifest. It's a series. It's crazy. So, yeah. That's how I'm mostly spending time. But now I'm going to study also. I have to start studying also. You know, like what I mean. Make 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Oh! What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Classy. Yeah, sorry. You are not answering me. Hi, Ash. I'm answering. What's the only relationship you choose? Your own for life. Don't come with family. Friendship, no? Anushka, watch 4 more shorts, please. I'll try for sure. Did you learn anything new in this lockdown? Yeah, I did. I mean, new, I would say, like my piano, I was out of practice, so I did that. What else did I learn? I learned some new workouts also. Feeling good, like I should. Okay. And also, I've been seeing some all the edits, all the paragraphs that you guys wrote for me. It's so sweet. Thank you so much. You should watch Lock in Key on Netflix. I've seen that. It's a very good series. Yeah. Anushka, give challenge to Anushkins. You guys are doing it really good on your own. Like I've seen you guys doing it. Like you guys are having your own challenges and participating, and then I'm seeing them, and it's really good. Can you drive, Anu? No, I can't. I had plans to learn, but because of lockdown. Take these names. Hi Harshita. Hi Rishta. Hi Ayush. Hi Shiza. Sujal. Sara. Nipshika. Devi. Bovo. Shan. Avneet. Can you say hi Shiza? Moonlight Saint .x. Moonlight Saint .x is Ayush, isn't it? Somebody wants me to speak in Hindi, so I'll speak in Hindi for the next couple of minutes. If you guys don't understand, please let me know. Like, who don't know Hindi, of course. Make a YouTube video a day with family and Sindra. I'll try. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. और किसको मैं ऐड करूँ? मैं ऐड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Don't forget to watch Damon's daylight ring after lockdown and stuff. To buy that ring, no? Yeah, man. Hi Israr, कैसे आप? Mohammad Rifa. Some people are telling me to speak in English और कोई बोल रहा है मेरे को हिंदी में बोलो. एक sentence को I'll have to be. But it's okay, I have no issues. मैं आधा हिंदी and half English I can talk, so I have habits. So anyways, hi Alicia. Hey, now I'm gonna add someone. Okay. Anushka's in my way. Anushka, this or that? Yes. Please ask me this or that. No, in the questions. Please. That'll be fun. It's a game. So you guys want me to challenge you guys? So yeah, you can ask me. Make like videos that I sent you. Sure. Speak in English so that everyone can understand. Okay. Okay. Hi Sanya. I'm trying to add Anushka in my way, but it did not work out. Quickly. Love from Indonesia. I'm trying to add you. Anushka saying not big fans. See Angelic Anushka. How sweet. Okay. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm sit down, and you?
Yeah, everything's good.
By the way, my exams will coming soon.
Your exam?
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you.
Study well.
Can you say hi to Ansika, Akhya, Tisa, and Busangna?
Can you comment it down? Then I can say, I can read and say.
Yes. Can you say hi to Akhya, Ansika, and Tisa?
Hi to Afia.
Akhya,
Afia.
Ansika, and Tisa.
Ashika and Disha.
Yes. Where is Indra?
Sindra is good. She just left to other room, but I could have shown you.
You so pretty today. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. How sweet. Take care.
Yeah, can I take screenshot?
What?
Can I take screenshot?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you. Okay, now you guys can ask me this or that. Okay, so I'm gonna check this or there's this or that. So many of them. This is mostly Zen. Oh, that's quite a creative username. Piano or guitar? Piano, because I play piano, like that is easier for me. Waffles or Starbucks? Starbucks. Oh, it's Moonlight Saint. Ayush, I can't see your comments for some reason. Okay, and Tamil or Telugu? I think Telugu, because when I was actually working on that film, so when they asked me to learn the Telugu dialogues, for some reason Telugu was easier than Tamil, because Tamil for some reason it's really difficult, and Malayalam is more difficult for me. So that's it. And now the next question: Thor or Iron Man? Of course, Iron Man. Iron Man any day. Or like you can ask me Iron Man versus anybody, it's gonna be Iron Man forever. But they didn't have to kill Iron Man, no, in the movie. Why did they kill my favorite character? I hated when they kill my favorite character, yeah. This is not good. Endgame में they किसी और को मार देते ना यार. Why did they have to kill Iron Man for it, yeah? Heartbreaking. Okay. Singing or dancing? Dancing. Okay. Next. Money Heist or Vampire Diaries? That's a smart question. Because I like both. Can't choose, but because it's still, if I had to choose, I think Money. I don't know. My god, okay. 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 I'm still seeing for some. Delina or Stelina? I'm Delina because Damon forever. I'm Team D. Damon. No, you're going with TVD. See, that's what I'm telling you. I can't choose between the Vampire Diaries and Money Heist because it's two different, like genre. So, if you want to ask me this or that, you can ask me in the comments also. Delina, see, I know my fans. I know myself. I know. Okay, I'm gonna add somebody. Should I add somebody random? Okay, I'll add somebody random if they take my request. Being with Damon or being with Kangna for a day? Yeah, not fair. You can't ask this. Being with Damon. Anyways. Hi. Okay, she left. Okay, no problem. Maybe she was not ready. It's cool. That's totally cool. I have no issues. Okay, let's see who else we can add. Who's this Bob? Yeah. I made a Delina edit out of board and will show you one day. Yeah, sure. I would love to. Hi, Bhavya. How are you? Oh my god, you're stuck. You're stuck with this really cute expression, but you're stuck. I hate the internet. Why do they not have good network? Bhavya, can you see me? She's doing this to somebody. Bhavya, can you see me? Or hear me? Girl, I can't hear you. मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Oh god, it's too blurry. I can't see anything. God, I'm so sorry. I had to remove because it's too blurry. There's some network issue in a lot of places, so I understand. I can't add some of my fan pages. That's really weird. Uh, most of them it's showing unable to join for some reason. Guys, do something. Okay, I added non-existent Delina's kid in the edit. Oh wow, that's cute. And I was so scared when I almost lost my account. Even I was so scared. I don't know what's happening. So many people are losing their accounts. It's just scary as hell. I mean, please keep your account safe. And the new Instagram feature, it's so funny because जो जिन्होंने अपना नाम नहीं रखा है बायो पे, तो वो now it's showing in DMs, it's showing the names. Some of you guys have written something else instead of your names. It's so funny. Then I can't recognize, and then I have to go in, and then I'm like, oh, okay. Oh my god. Hi Bhushangana, how are you? Who's this? Nilisha. Is she here? I can't add. What is happening? My god. No. Yes. What's up? Hi. Okay. You guys. Oh, you can add pictures also here or what? See? Oh wow. You can do that. Guys, see, that's so crazy, no? Something new. So I'm gonna show you something. So this is me and my little brother last year, I think 2 years back we went to SL World and discovering new things. It's so cool. But yeah, this is me 2 years back. I like my smile in that. It's like, and this is me working out yesterday. Oh man, I'm loving this. And this is Sinra yesterday. Okay, I have to stop. Oh my god, why is it? Okay, it's gonna be like this? No, don't tell me it's gonna be like this. How do you? Okay. It was not going. My god. Oh. Holy shit. Anushka, please add Avneet. What? But I can't see that. That's what I'm telling you guys. I can't add from the list. Devi, why are you sad? Please, can you tell me what's going on? Please, nobody. I am saying. I'm saying that. Please don't be sad. You forgot me. I don't forget anyone. Come on. I remember everyone. Everyone. Please say my name, Ayush. Hi, Ayush Joshi. What's up? Hi, Vidangi. Hey, hi. How are you?
Hi,
How are you doing?
how are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. How's quarantine going on?
It's going so good.
Yeah? See,
How's yours, Sandeep?
that's the vibe everyone should follow. Very nice. I like the answer you give.
Why you not type with me in DM?
What?
Why you not checking my DM?
So the thing is, I'll tell you, my DM thing is, DM is filled with a lot of messages. And to be very honest, I check. That's the reason I am more active in groups rather than personal. I go to personal if it's like really important or like it's about a challenge or something, and it happens really rarely. And or most of the time I'm just going through it and I find something. That's the reason I go. And most of the time I'm active in groups. That's the reason, or else it's nothing like that.
Okay. Can I take a screenshot?
Well, yeah.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lots of love. Take care of yourself and don't be sad, please.
Bye.
Bye.